The Mental Health Nursing Programme at the University of Bradford is a 3-year course and it results in a Bachelor of Science degree. During the course, you're going to learn to work with the mental health needs of people of all ages, right through from very early childhood through to those who are right at the end of their life. You'll be given the opportunity to consider mental health from a biological, psychological, and social perspective, and this will allow you to effectively meet the really complex needs of people in our local communities and beyond. The programme's approved by the Nursing and Midwifery Council, so that once you graduate, you'll be able to join their register and practice as a registered mental health nurse. Successful completion of this programme offers graduates so many career opportunities. This might be in the NHS or in the private sector, but increasingly nurses are working in the third sector in settings such as charities. You might choose to work in the UK, but you can also work overseas with a nursing degree. It can take you anywhere. You might work in hospitals, in the community, or in specialist settings, for example, in charities, schools, or in prisons. Once you've qualified, you can undertake further advanced study to progress your career even further, for example, by becoming a prescriber or an advanced nurse practitioner, or perhaps focusing on leadership and development to support a career in senior leadership, like being a chief exec or a hospital manager. We're so excited about our mental health nursing programme here at Bradford. The course is brand new for September 2025 and it's cutting edge both in terms of the content that we're going to teach you, but also our style of delivery. Students have told us that they want to study mental health right from day one, and so that's what we've done in our programme. You'll be taught the foundations of nursing, of course, but we're going to introduce that field-specific knowledge and learning opportunities right from the start and weave it the whole way through the 3 years of your study. This will ensure that you've got a really strong professional identity as a mental health nurse. You'll take that from being a student into your qualified practice. You'll be taught whilst you're here by a team of nursing academics with a wide variety of clinical backgrounds and expertise. And this brings real life, real world expertise to everything that we do. All our team maintain their professional registrations as practicing nurses, so this will shine through in the classroom. The academic part of your programme takes place here on campus in our state-of-the-art clinical facilities, which include simulation suites and clinical practice skills areas. We also have really well-equipped teaching and learning spaces for your lectures and seminars. So of course there will be some key lectures, but on the whole you're going to learn in small tutorial groups for the majority of your studies. So what does this mean? Well, it's going to give the staff more time to give you increased individual attention. It's going to give you great opportunities for communicating and actively learning with your peers. And it's also going to give you more time to be involved in actively participating in your studies. We operate a flipped classroom learning approach. This means you'll be provided with learning materials before class ahead of time in a range of formats for you to explore. The classroom time is then used to deepen your understanding of the materials and allow you to critically explore and unpick concepts, ideas, and practices to really bring your learning to life and move you beyond being a passive learner so that you're really engaging in your studies. Sometimes you're going to be assessed in ways you might consider traditional, such as exams or essays. But many of our assessments are novel and are designed to be authentic in terms of skills that you will need in clinical practice. So some examples of this might be the use of video logs or the design of an infographic. Don't worry if any of this sounds daunting. We give you all the help and support that you will need to be successful in all of your assessments. 50% of your study time will be spent on placement in a diverse variety of healthcare settings. So the university will source these placements for you, so you're not going to need to worry about finding them for yourself. As you might expect, some of the placements will be in environments such as hospital wards or in community teams, but we offer lots of other exciting opportunities. This might be in a simulated placement here on campus with the nursing team. You might do a leadership placement. Or you might have a placement that really focuses on the skills of modern healthcare professionals, where you'll do a virtual placement to learn how do you use technology to assess people in their own homes. Our placements will offer you exposure to a wide range of different mental health nursing roles. Why is this important? Well, it helps you to think about where you might want to work once you are a qualified mental health nurse. In addition, the programme offers timetabled opportunities for enrichment experiences. This is so exciting because it's where you get to really personalise your learning. You might choose to go to an overseas placement, for example, or you might want to spend some time working in a charity. It's a really, really exciting opportunity to explore health and well-being from the broadest perspective possible. At Bradford, we offer a wide range of additional support to our students, such as a personal academic tutor, module and year leads, counselling services, disability services, and academic skills support. In addition to this, on the mental health nursing programme, when you're out on placement, you will have support from the academic staff, but also from specially trained practice supervisors. These will be clinicians who are working in practice alongside you. This ensures that you always have access to support when you need it. If this programme sounds like the one for you, why not come to one of our open days or visit us for an experience day? More information can be found on the Bradford website in our courses section.